Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy and flaky chicken puff kachori. The special layered dough gives this kachori a light crunchy texture that's perfect for tea time or a delicious evening snack. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ghee. Mix everything well until the ghee is evenly combined. Gradually add 1/3 cup water. Knead into a smooth and firm dough. Rub a little ghee over the dough. Cover it and keep it aside to rest. Take 1 tablespoon ghee in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoon corn flour. Mix well until smooth. Keep it aside. Now let's make the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 tablespoons chopped onion. Add 1 green chili. Chicken kachori is a delicious twist on the traditional potato-filled version. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Season with half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Cook until the onion becomes slightly soft and the raw aroma disappear. Add half cup boiled shredded chicken. Add 1 boiled chopped potato. Mix everything together until the chicken and potato are evenly coated with the spices. Cook for another minute. Then turn off the heat. Now take the rested dough. Divide it into 4 equal pieces. Roll each portion into a thin roti. Spread a thin layer of the ghee and corn flour slurry over the roti. Place another roti on top. Repeat the same process, layering all 4 rotis with the slurry. Layering several thin rotis creates the flaky texture without using puff pastry. Now fold the layered dough as shown. Cut into small pieces. Corn flour helps make the layers lighter and crispier when fried. Take each piece and roll it lightly. Place some of the chicken and potato filling in the center. Bring the edges together and cover the filling completely. Roll it gently to give the kachori a neat shape. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully place the kachoris into the hot oil. Fry over medium heat so the layers become crisp without browning too quickly. Chicken and potato make a filling combination that is both flavorful and satisfying. Fry slowly until they become light golden, flaky and crispy. Your homemade chicken puff kachori is ready, flaky on the outside, crispy around the edges, and filled with spicy chicken and potato. This is a delicious upgrade to the classic kachori. Serve it fresh and enjoy that satisfying crunch with your favorite dip. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy recipes and delicious homemade treats.